What is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here. Today I have something really cool for you. So I got the DJI MAVIC Pro, and this for me is going to bridge the gap between a hobby and just another hobby of shooting videos like this for you guys. So not only this is going to be fun to fly as a quadcopter, but it's also going to be a really stable aerial camera platform and also really portable for when I take it places. So let's go ahead and get right in. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it. I got the Costco bundle. So I could have gotten Fly More, I could have gotten just the normal one. I got the Costco bundle for $900 at the time on the holiday sale. And so, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So, first it's the drone. Second, we have this bag that it comes with. And third, we have the propeller guards, which look like this. So here's the box. It has a bunch of specs all over it. Just all about what's included, what the features are, pretty much a normal Mavic stuff. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, and we'll get into the nitty-gritty stuff. So first I'm going to go into the propeller guards. These are pretty simple. They're DJI's official propeller guards, and these are really nice. Unlike other propeller guards, like the freewells and things like that, these are connected on the sides, so it helps for rigidity on the Mavic, and it also helps so you can't run into anything on the side. So these are going to be helpful for flying indoors and flying in tight spaces where I don't want to bump into anything. So yeah, I believe that's the left and this is the right or something, but those are the propeller guards. I'm going to go ahead and set those aside as well. And then these are the little foam pieces that keep them together. So the next thing that I'm going to open is this this little piece for the bag. Here is the shoulder bag. So it's kind of taped on. I had to open it up. And then we got this, well, foam stuff. There's this nice handle that says Mavic on the top, which is really nice. It's actually really padded and things like that, and I really like that. Velcro opens it. Just the flap, though. There's still a concealed zipper inside, which looks like it's really durable. And we're going to open the flap. You got this nice zipper pouch right here. Here is your carry strap for your shoulder, and you got some gel for keeping it nice and fresh in here. And then you got a slot for your controller and a slot for your drone itself. You got a pocket out here for some more batteries, some pockets on the side for extra accessories, and then there's a main pocket for your pamphlets and maybe registration right there, and an inside pocket for like SD cards and things like that. So, yeah, that's the bag. I'll get into more of it maybe in a separate video. If you guys want to know more, definitely comment below. Okay, so now on to the star of the show, the DJI MAVIC Pro. And so this box would be everything that you get for your normal $1,000 purchase, but the Costco gives us this DJI carry bag and these propeller guards as a bonus. So that's a really good reason to buy at Costco. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and voila, there it is. So we got the controller first right here, and open it up. There is where your phone goes right here, and you got a LCD screen right here showing everything, all your real-time telemetry. You got your sticks just like your average hobby grade transmitter, about almost the same size. This one's obviously a little bit more high-tech, a little bit heavier, but yeah, you got some customizable buttons on the back, got all your standard stuff, and then you got your lightning port right here for your iPhone, and then there's also more cables in the box that I'm going to get into a little bit later. But I'm using an iPhone, Apple setup, maybe an iPad, so yeah, so the next thing I'm going to get into is this little thing right here under the controller, which has our Mavic Bible of manuals right here. We've got battery, drone, what's in the contents of the box, safety guidelines, and a pamphlet about DJI Care Refresh. So yeah, that's everything in there. Thankfully, I've already read up on those in the DJI app, which I've already bought, and yeah, so now we got the charger. This charger is basically, there's a little connector right here that is reversible that connects to the battery, which I'll show you in a second. And you got this charger with the main box has two USB ports right there, one for the remote and one for your phone to charge on the go. So yeah, and then there's this really nice cable tie right here, and there's this big silver wrapping, not silver, clear wrapping on top. So now for the drone, I'm just going to get into this. There's a sticker right there. So basically, here's the drone itself. The rubber piece came off, so the rubber piece goes on the front right like that. It's a little looser than I expected and wanted, but that's fine. So it just pops right off. And then we've got this piece right here, which is the gimbal dome, which is protecting the gimbal. And then we've got this gimbal clamp right here as well. And so there's your gimbal. I'm going to go ahead and put it back in place, just so that everything, stays nice and fit the same way I'd like it. Okay, there, I'm going to put the dome back on just to protect it. Okay, there we go. And now we're going to unfold the arms of the Mavic. First things first, unfold the side arms out and the bottom arms down and out, just like that. So there's the Mavic, all unfolded, and I'm going to go ahead and take a seat, and I'll show you a little bit more about what else comes with the package. So we got a whole plethora of cables right here. We've got our AC adapter cable for the charger, micro USB cable for the remote, and we have different adapter cables for different types of phones, USB-C, micro USB, etc. for the Mavic controller. So next in here we have this piece of foam that protects the bottom of the Mavic during transport in the box, and I'm going to go ahead and put that back right where it goes. Then we've got these two nice bags for our propellers. And two propellers are in each bag, meaning that you get two extra propellers, considering that there are already two on the Mavic. So I'm going to go ahead and install the two propellers. You can see at the top of the propellers, you've got one with a white ring and one without a white ring. And on the front two motors, you got one with a white ring and one without a white ring. So I'm going to put the white ring one on the white motor, and it snaps right in place just like that. And perfect. And then I'm going to put this one on just like that. And as you can see, you can go ahead and unfold them. Perfect. Perfect. So yeah, so the propeller just kind of clicks off, so you have to click a twist, I believe. Click, and give it a nice little twist to lock it in place. Click, give it a nice little twist to lock that in place, just like that. And you'll notice that you have to lock them in opposite directions, considering that the motors spin opposite ways. So then you got your extra two propellers in here. So there's the drone. I'm just go ahead and pull out the battery now. So it has a sticker right here with some warnings and about the button and how to turn it on and off. I'm gonna go ahead and set this sticker aside. Kind of sticking on something. And basically, charging the battery is pretty simple. I'm not gonna go too in depth with it, but you're gonna take off the cable tie for the AC adapter, pull off the outlet piece, and then I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the adapter right there, and go ahead and plug it into my RC charging station's power strip. And then I'm going to go ahead and just plug the battery right in, and as you'll notice, it has started charging. And this displays the overall battery level currently, and I'm going to be charging that to full charge. So now I'm going to go ahead and get that remote charging, and so I'm going to go ahead and slip off the cable. This is pretty much your average micro USB cable. Interesting that it has some plastic over the ends. That's pretty interesting. I've never seen that before. But now I'm going to go ahead and plug in the USB. And then how to charge this, there's a micro USB out right here that goes to your phone. You unplug that, and then you go ahead and plug in the micro USB, just like that. And it says that the battery is at 2% and it is charging. And that's what we want to see. So I'm going to go ahead and set these aside. And now we're going to go back to the bag. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the Mavic Pro and fold it up and show you how it fits in the bag with some accessories. So first you can go ahead and put some propellers. I think I'm going to choose this front pouch for the propellers right here. And I'm going to put some extra cables in there as well. And the zipper is really tight and this is sealed, so I think that's a good thing. It might be a little rough at first to get it all on, but that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Mavic and fold it up, fold the propellers inward, just like that. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slide it in. I'm going to go ahead and put it just in this bigger, what seems like a bigger compartment, like this, with the propellers facing inward, just like that. Now, I don't think that's going to be the way that I do it for good. I'm going to find the best way to do it, but it folds over just like that and zips up. And so there's plenty of space in here, no crunch, and it seems like a pretty rigid case. So I'm going to go ahead and see if it'll come out now. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I have on this Mavic so far. Definitely going to be flying it today, definitely going to be giving some app updates today. So I hope that you really enjoyed this unboxing video for the DJI MAVIC, the COSTCO bundle, and I really hope to see you guys back on the channel soon with some aerial footage and some more RC things. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.